Hey, this lesson we're going to be adding audio and video, and the nice thing about HTML5 is that it comes with controllers. So I've actually added in a WAV file, an MP3 file, and an MP4 file that we're going to add to our web page, and we're going to use HTML5 players controls for that. So the tag is audio, and you just specify within the attributes controls. So what this will do is this will show the controls. And so the audio tag in the controls itself isn't going to display a whole lot. If you remove the controls and you refresh it, you get nothing. So adding in the audio controls attribute is essential. And then now we need to specify a source. So we use the source tag, and within the attributes of the source tag, we're going to specify the source of our file. And in this case, we're going to use a WAV file. And let's close off the source tag, refresh. And now we can play the WAV file. Although it will play the WAV file because it's able to understand what type of file this is, you can also specify the file type, and you should actually specify the file type. So within the audio, and each different type of file will have its own type. So refreshing it, and it's going to play the audio file. Let's try another one. So create an audio tag, and also add in the controls option so that we get the player controls, and adding in the source tag and specifying the source. This time we're going to load our MP3 file, and then the type for the MP3 is going to be audio MPG file, and close the source tag. So now we've got two audio files. One is an MP3 and one is a WAV file. Also, if you are using, or you have others that might be using your web page that have older browsers, you can, within the audio tags, you can specify that your browser will not support this. So that message won't show because it's within the audio tags. But if they're using an older browser that isn't HTML5 compatible and isn't able to display the content from the audio tags, then it'll just display that message that the browser doesn't support the audio tag. So also, let's add in the video. And the video is really pretty much the same thing as the audio. So video tag opening and closing. And then we need to specify a source for the video. So the same thing that we did with the audio, we're specifying the source for the video file. And I have one called idea.mp4. This is going to be an MP4 file. And just like we did with the audio, let's specify the type for the video. So it's a video format, and that's just going to be an MP4. So closing that, and let's do a quick refresh. That's going to show the video, and the videos are going to be awfully big. So within the video tags itself, you have an option to resize it, and as well you can use styling as well to do a resize. So let's set the video to be with a height and a width of 320 width and a height of 420. So that will make it smaller display on our page, and we're still missing the controls. So we need to always add in that control within the video attribute and the audio attribute to be able to get the video controls. And you get the basic controls where you can control the audio. You've got the three icons, so you can do picture in picture, and then you can also do full size for the video. And then you can pause the video, restart the video, and this will by default play the video content, the MP4 file, directly within your web page. So go ahead and try these out, and you will need to have an MP4 file, or you can link out to one that's online, as well as a WAV and an MP3 in order to try this example and adding in the audio and the video within your web page.